Hey guys, we're gonna jump right in. I'm using the foundation base from Plain and Makeup by Yolando. I believe it's called AO, and I'm just gonna merge it. That's the Jamrock palette. I'm going to be using that purple, and I'm just going to be blending it into the crease. Now I'm going on top with this lime green. This look was so pretty. I love this so much. The lime green just blends into that purple. I'm just doing some extra blending with a clean eyeshadow brush just to make sure that the two colors are blended together. Now I'm going to be using the blank canvas acid rain Emma Mitchell times P. Louise base, and I'm just going to be tapping in. I'm going to leave this in real time. I'm not going to speed up my videos anymore. I want you to see the blending and how long it does take me to do my makeup, which is not long. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave everything in real time, but let me cut my crease and I'll jump back in. To be honest with you, I didn't know where I wanted to go, but I'm taking this pink. This day I just was blending colors and throwing colors on the lid. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure that everything is super vibrant. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm really packing the color on. Now I'm gonna go in with this orange on a different brush, overlapping and just packing on until the colors are to my liking. But yes, I just didn't know what I was gonna do, and I actually liked the outcome. And I believe I went in with another color. Yes. So this color, I didn't know which one I wanted to do, but I ended up using this color right here. And I'm just going to make sure all three colors are blended. This is the Crayon Case ink pen eyeliner. But before then, I'm going to tighten up my crease with that dark purple. And now I'm going to finish up my wing, and I'm going to fill it in with a liquid liner. So that's my new steps. I'll do the pen and then I'll go in with the liquid liner, and we're gonna go into some glitter. So I actually was not recording when I did the yellow glitter, but the yellow glitter is called Banana Clip, the orange is called Tequila Sunrise, and Starfire for the purple, they are from Glow Up Academy. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. This is not Makeup Revolution. This is a mixture of Huda Beauty foundation and Revlon Colors Superstay, I believe it's called. So yeah, I mixed the two of them just to give me a custom blend. My daughter was messing with me, so you see me looking to the side. I'm gonna be laughing in some clips, but yeah, she's crazy, so it's messing with me. But I'm going to blend this out, and I'll be back to tell you what concealers I used. Now I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape Tan Sand Deep, I believe it is called. And I'm going to go on top of that with another concealer from L'Oreal Infallible. I believe it's in the color Pecan or Cashew. I'm not too sure, but I'm sure I'm pretty sure it was Pecan. Now I'm going in with my Black Opal foundation, and I believe this is in the color Black Walnut because that's the one I always gravitate towards. This right here is one of the concealers. I'm not even too sure what kind. Oh, okay, that's a Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. It's close to my foundation color, and I already wanted to make sure that I didn't have like a 5 o'clock shadow because sometimes around my mouth is a little darker than other areas in my face. So yeah, then I'm just gonna blend, and we're gonna set with some powder. I'm taking this sponge from the crayon case and I'm making sure that my under eye is very smooth. And now I'm going to be using the Stardust powders. I believe I mixed them. I usually mix them. This is beige and cool caramel, just to make sure that under my eyes and everything is set. And now I'm going to start to bake because I need my under eyes. I just like a snatched and sculpted face. If you follow any of my videos and stuff like that, you know I love a snatched face. Instagram, Miss Dainty Diana MUA, yes, super snatched. So now I'm using my powder from MAC. This is the Studio Fix NC50 powder, just to make sure that everything is set. I'm going to start to contour. I'm going to use my Phenom Blondify bronzer from Morphe. I always get tongue-tied with that. But yeah, we're just going to make sure this face is set. That's what I'm going to use to contour, like I was just saying. And then I'm going to bake again. And then I'm going to cut my cheek with the same mixture of the Stardust powders. And then I'm going to highlight with the crayon case highlighter, you know, and then we're going to get onto some lips. So I have to make sure that I'm super sculpted with this haircut and this top knot. You really saw like my scalp. And yeah, like you can really see my hair is super dark because obviously I rinsed it black. And it looked funny, so I just had to make sure that around my forehead is contoured when I don't have any hair like in my face or something like that. I don't know, like with my complexion and my hair being super dark, it always has like a line of demarcation. But that's my hairline, so what am I gonna do but contour and contour? Now I'm going to be taking my Studio Fix powder in NC45, and I'm just going to go over those highlighted areas just to make sure that I don't have any flashback. But I'm going to also do another step later on, I believe, in this video. I'm not too sure, and make sure I don't have any flashback. But I'm just tightening everything up and blending everything out. Now I'm going to just be spraying my face with some Fix Plus and just drenching my face. Not drenching, but you want to make sure that it's wet, so that when you put on that highlighter, it really pops. Like I was saying, this is the crayon case highlighter. And I applied wet and dry. So the first application was dry. Then I spray my brush, tap it on, and just blend and build up that intensity. I didn't do that yet. Right now it's still dry. But I'm going to show you when I put the highlighter on my brush and then I spray the brush just to make it really bright. That's how people get that highlighter that looks like it's wet, because you wet your brush after you apply the highlighter on it. So this is when the look went, like, it turned for the worst. I say turned for the worst because I really didn't like what it looked like when it was all said and done. For some reason, to me, I just felt like the lashes were way too long, but I didn't realize it until after I finished filming. And then I basically took it off, and you'll see, well, if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture this day. The lashes at the bottom, I took it off, but I digress. So this is the color Blissful from Lashing Out Glam. So I'm going to use this as a lip liner. And this is, I believe, a liquid lipstick, or is it a gloss? I'm not too sure. And then I'm going to tap on Dreamy in the middle. And I want to mix cake batter with Dreamy. And then I'm going to put Glassy, which is a clear liquid lipstick. A clear gloss on top. And I like the look, but like I said, I feel like the lashes were too much. And my left eye sits lower than my right eye. But on camera, it looks like my right eye, but it's really my left. And my left eye always sits funnier than the right. So whenever I try to get my lashes perfect, it does not work out. I have to keep playing with it and playing with it and playing with it. So right here, it looks like I don't even have my left eye open. And it's actually open, but it just, the lash just sits so annoying to me. Like, ugh. So annoying. So after all of this, I realized, but I had already filmed the video, and I was like, well, the lashes ain't gonna make or break the look. The look is still cute. So after this, I fixed my lash off camera, and I had it sitting the right way. But I have to look straight into the mirror, a handheld mirror, and place it perfectly. Like the right eye, I can just pop the lash on, but the left eye, it just gives me issues, just like how some people love your right brow and you hate your left brow. You know, you love your right, you hate your left. My left eye is just lower than the right, and it just irritates me. But I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.